Hi, this is Dr. Jim Fazone. I'm here with Gary Mattia, and you are in the principal's office.
Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Jim Fazone, principal of the SciPEC Center, and I'm with my friends that are here every week. We have Gary Mattia, he's the principal of the Assiping Center, and Nick Sikowski, who's our director and producer, and we welcome you as you are in the principal's office. This week in the principal's office, we're going to be talking about the coronavirus, COVID-19, and some things that you can do to keep yourself safe, to keep your family safe, as we move forward with this current pandemic and situation. We have school guidelines, and we'd like to go over those with you because they're also guidelines that you can use every single day. So, Mr. Mattia, do you have a list of some safety tips?
We have a list, Dr. Frazone.
You always do.
I'm a list guy. So, according to the CDC, the following are considered, close contacts. If you are within 6 feet of someone who has COVID-19 for a total of 15 minutes or more than a 24-hour period, that's considered a close contact. You provided care at home to someone who is sick with COVID-19. You had direct physical contact with the person, like a hug. You shared eating or drinking utensils. A COVID-19 positive person sneezed, coughed, or someone got respiratory droplets on you. These are considered close contacts, Dr. Frazone.
Very interesting. So what are some of the protocols and procedures that we can take to either prevent or deal with situations that come up?
Well, one thing is social distancing. I mean, we've been hearing this and hearing it, but it's important that we practice these particular things when it comes to social distancing. Keep a safe space between yourself and other people who are not from your household. Stay 6 feet, 2 arm lengths from other people who are not from your household in both indoor and outdoor spaces, 2 arm lengths. Avoid crowding in lunch break areas. CDC recommends wearing masks when social distancing measures are difficult to maintain. So that's some keys about social distancing. 6 feet, 2 arm lengths, that's the big thing.
So when we're wearing those masks, something I hear is wear them all day, all the time. Is that something that's a good idea?
Yeah, it's kind of like our mantra, all masks, all the time. It's extremely important to wear your mask. And here's something here, it's called mask, gloves, and gowns. Wear your mask when in the building. Wash your hands before and after using gloves. Soap and water is always the best. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. And they tell me that's singing happy birthday 2 times, the song Happy Birthday. If soap and water are not available, you can certainly use a hand sanitizer. That will work. And again, we're back to what we previously talked about. Maintain social distancing. When you are done, remove your gloves. If you had to wear gowns, like if you were a nurse, you remove those items, you get rid of them because they're obviously soiled throughout the day.
So some of the things I think we have up to this point would be maintain that social distancing, that safe space, 6 feet apart, 2 arms lengths. Wear your masks, wear them all day, keep them on, and then wash your hands for 20 seconds on a regular basis. And that would mean singing happy birthday twice while you're washing your hands.
Exactly. And those are the big deals, the big things that we have to worry about when it comes to, returning to school and even around your houses. And then, as we know, Thanksgiving is getting ready to come up. Further down the line is the winter holidays. It is important that we maintain these rules throughout those particular holidays. Thanksgiving is next. If you're with your family, it should be your immediate family. If you're with family that's not your immediate family, I guess the most important thing to do is wear your mask. I read once someplace where it says open the windows in the house so you have fresh air. But it's really important that we maintain this because if we go back to school as we plan, we don't want to close in 2 days. So very important that we maintain these rules. Masks and gloves and gowns all the time and social distancing are all the keys that we have to do.
And I guess we want to stay up to date with any new information that comes out, whether it's the CDC, they give us good information, the local county board of health, and certainly we'll give some updates as we move forward. So on the internet, whether you're television, whatever you like to do, stay up to date with some of those good news sources, with some of those research-based sources that give us the correct information, such as the CDC and the Board of Health.
Correct. Right. And I think if we follow those rules and follow those guidelines, we will have a safe experience and a positive experience when it comes to getting back to school and getting into school itself.
Okay, so I think that's pretty much it for today. So for Gary Mattia, Nick Sikowski, and all of us here at the principal's office, I'm Dr. Jim Fazone, and we'll see you next week in the principal's office. Bye-bye.